Hey guys, all right, we're going to look at the number 8. The number 8 today. This is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. All right, so to make an 8, it says make an S, then don't wait. Go back up and make an 8. So it's like an S, but it goes back up and it makes an 8. Make an S, then don't wait. Go back up and make an 8. All right, this is 8 fingers. See right here? 8 fingers. You hold up 5 and then 3 more. 8. All right, this is a tens frame with 8 dots in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a clock that says 8 o'clock because the shorthand is pointing to the 8. Then we have 8 smiley faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2 groups of 4 is a great way to make 8 quickly. All right, make an S, then don't wait. Go back up and make an 8. Bye, guys.